So it's quite perplexing to see where it's going. Of course, typically in October, people are importing for Christmas, and maybe there's a rush for that. But my expectation is that once we also conclude with the fund, that will lead to the fund's disbursement, early next year.
Ghana and Sebi Koso. Now we and the say video be Ken Ofori Atta and Ghana for air kasa because we say Andre just within a day now dollar 13.5 few minutes near say I could 14 cities. Answer na dear besa po ebe continue ni ade be chi ebe ka so dollar na cost ebe kan wasam no na dollar no enam 15 cities. Now $1 is 15 cities. 1 city are 15 ena a year dollar. Now we ena ye kochi Ken Ofori Atta baby na ye bisa ne say what is he talking about? The way the dollar is just running. He's running right now. The dollar is not even running. He's flying with parachute because he's using plane there. And I swear, I'm telling you the truth, it will reach 30 Ghana. So right now he's using parachute. They will just give him jet sky. So right now he's using parachute and then money cost. And he says, we shouldn't panic over the depreciation of the city. Why? Ghanaians should not be baffled. We should not be perplexed. We shouldn't worry. Why do we bother? The city will come back to its grounds. It will be stabilized at the moment. But right now, people are rather ordering stuff from the European world to the country. Was think for a crime normal the back country for Christmas. One case for business or for just Christmas. For Christmas. Say you got to Christmas, bunch will be person to free ya. It will for a much importation. That is what the the finance minister is telling us. He said Ghana for who said and go for importing your bebre and dollar and depreciating. It after Christmas, the city will be stabilized. Be okay. Be normal in the country. And no more all catch them in but this is a word is coming from a finance minister. Now answer messages and say they have talked and they have had interaction with the European world like Germany and other countries. So for them to come and help them to stabilize the economy. So they have agreed to help them to stabilize the economy. The Ghanaians shouldn't be perplexed or Ghanaians shouldn't panic. And no know where the Alberti has I and yet panic and boom, see the mood munjai and uncle 20 Ghana. I munjai see the uncle 20 Ghana. Munjai see the uncle 30 Ghana. They did Christmas we are everyone 1 city to 1 city. Ghanaians should also know that it's a routine for sense me pese. And I remember na yet say ebia me to answer someone. My young question video na finance minister.
Is a bit perplexing because, as you know, typically we go to market at the beginning of the year and get our 2 billion. So that we were not able to do. We were able to then get a $750 million from Xposed, and in the summer, August also, things stabilized a bit. Then we moved on traditionally as we do with the ASL, which is the annual syndicated loan of Cocoa Board. And that came in, very strongly. So it's quite perplexing to see where it's going. Of course, typically in October, people are importing for Christmas, and maybe, there's a rush for that. But my expectation is that once we also conclude with the fund, that will lead to the fund's disbursement, early next year to do that. And the support we are getting from countries like Germany, France, etc. We are confident that we get the resources needed. And so we really would want people to know not to panic or be rushing for that to put pressure on the currency. I think it's unnecessary. Yeah, and we're in good shape.
I mean, next year, it doesn't mean that we are not getting the deal.
No, say when you complete the deal, then
Ebusiafo I say kako yesi yegin wo kwaku dey enum we dey mo ankosa mo kote asem no ewo finance minister enum but hey asem na wo kan on I'm telling you this is not a way of attacking but let me tell you something for a finance minister a specialist in economy to come and tell you that people are importing stuffs. So it is making our city to depreciate. If it is in any serious country, that word that he made yesterday, wherever he is, they will tell him to resign at that place and send a resignation letter. They will receive it here in Ghana. A person in class 1 is the one who will have to say this. For you to stabilize something that is going on, you are telling us we shouldn't panic for people who are doing importation. But when the government was coming into power, it said Ghana will go beyond aid, and going beyond aid, we will create up industries that will make the importation of stuff will be less. So they find a way to stop how to even import what? Old use free to the country. So that it will be less of importing it into the country. Then we will manufacture some ourselves or even the new or brand new ones. And no any car see you or mining. Your finance minister na catch them and no we antennas in ye. So we will be out on car ye din dollar no to a for car this time around. Trade Christmas or for car a bedu or not dollar 1 cedi to 5 cedi. That is what the finance minister is telling me. They are finding ways. I don't know when UK, they are just changing people and the finance minister and people are resigning all because they want a stabilized economy. And they are not getting the strategies or the people who are much competent to do it. That is why they are resigning. And they are being honest to themselves. Right? But here we are in a country. The person who has nothing, it is looking like our finance minister is becoming incompetent. He's making us know those people, their parents had money and they send them to school. That is what they are making us to feel. And some mama yefele, as you do go school so muko suya and no kita certificate. No we are on betu or mine so. Because the idea or the juna simply suka sa se mo chire. It is below the belt. And fuck wine and anybody who wants the well-being of Ghanaians. Ye padi ni sesi a wo se ye pen wo china. Really? Then why are we a country? And mean, didn't say UK economic problem. Now, I say I am consulting China and Russia to come and assist me to stabilize my economy. Then you are not capable of doing the work. Then we rather go and have to go and bring a Russian to come and sit on an economy as an economic minister. That's the best. So, as an minister of finance. You don't tell us that the German people want to assist us. If you can't do it, just get down. You rather have to send your proposal of ideas on how they will assist you. But you can't tell me that we have talked with them. They are coming to help us. So if they will come and help us in 3 years' time, we should wait. Right? They themselves, they are having problem with the economy. Can't you see the euro? Now the euro is rising more than the dollar. But before, euro was upper than the dollar. They want to stabilize the economy. And they will come and have time for you. You that they give you loan that you don't know how to spend the loan. We are just the jokers in front of these European wars and the Western world. They are yet to say jokers to these people. San yaye. Abusianfo. San yaye den. Yaye oh mining. It is seminar a buy. Now me kase. Kenu ferrata. All the thing that everybody said. You see, just be honest to Ghanaians. This is not say API over party and our power. Now and I say yeah, or money be binting a year disturb them. Like if this is what is coming from the finance minister, whilst we are looking for solutions, you are telling that we shouldn't panic. For people are importing. People are importing stuff, so we should wait because of Christmas. A finance minister, this is what you are telling Ghanaians. During your campaign, how you told us that you and Bawumia will stabilize this country's economy. Hey, Bawumia, today when I was coming, my sister told me, many about that and say, your cars will stabilize and over $2 and they will woo. And so we will suit you as any side of the Yakuya and Wada. Akufadu, Bawumia, Ofori Atta, what? Now, and my mom medical, you know, by your popular. Nana the economy they can say, oh mother, economy your mother. They say, oh mother, almost so that until they are dreaming to make things possible. They will say, for me, I did to make a within the limo. Elikem Kwame, Ube to me, after me, African, not my also. Xposed, you see, Opposite advertising product, and you my band and bottom. Frey and only in the Casubum, and not only in the Kitahome, about the boy to know the rule. Now, what jacket or result, I only know a bit increasing. I mean, I may show the baby to my pack come out. To make quite so much, and did to me, ever, and you will be as a little number and the Guazo from, or say, a free America, because you go now, or not on to workmanship into a bonanza, a bonus, a free bone to grab this opportunity because dollar need a granny can whom say, who knew the obey, I would be forward nice into free to free, no new dickers. Now, Miss Catcher say, aha, a Xposed, share video, share no business MTV. It means a video no I can send you for the aha. The cow say your politics and your politics government your right to let the government and the people know that it is our responsibility to put the government on the toes to know that they are not doing things well. So Mimpona said by the to baby, now we have to talk about it. We are not doing politics. Say we are said we are MPP or your NDC near send it TV about Kwama, if you are about Kwama, if you are Kwama, but how we are here to talk about the truth and the fact that needs to be what addressed. That's in there, the basic share. Bye bye.
Mira, the we are in Sway Asifa Bay. Now a damn has sent swimming, and then the one from me and shades the pan, their own fraud bill.
Sunny Santi, and I'm in front of it. A bram see there, let me jaw what to coin, and I'm a catcher say, Confine neat roofing system for no matter than you so my end, and I'll go for a quantum for my Tamaquafwa, or my than you share, then you.
Now, Mira, neat roofing system for summer walking. A damn pan, a dance from one, tinchina ching, as I said, one, and a samboy dance from my end. Or
Uti, when him says he can't wire thing, and I will yard the answer. I was so yadia, a bit in your chama we and unti, and I'm a share will say, Confine neat roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumay. Atia, Nansu Emui, neat roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani neat, the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, rich cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka who they are, any not transfer neat roofing system company. Yamau free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so, your poor Danasumawa, a chaye pa, and it just some neat roofing system company at the Abani say, what the promotion Chenchenche pan or Diaba, say they, if it's Sabre, Equisi say, you better bronya bury no, open neat roofing system company, a catch it, see and Kobo down Sumawa, a Kadia out the bow down so pet and I'll bet Tiaka, near do a chi aqua down a swamma free, I won't tiare. As I might cast an impatem, neat roofing system for Ababia among Krabatani Bio, Parker so, Protua Station, store number 44, I and GRA office in the Dinshanimu, a Muntre Mubiano, for neat roofing system for Ewo 0553 817122 Anna 0557 453973.
neat roofing system, Anna. Quality is our hallmark.